Hi kids! Welcome to Fruity Fun with me, Fruity Fred. Today we're going on a fruity adventure to learn the names of some yummy fruits and why they're so good for you. Ready? Let's get started!
First up, we have the apple. Apples are super crunchy and delicious. They have lots of fiber, which helps keep your tummy happy and healthy. Next, we have the banana. Bananas are sweet and soft. They're packed with potassium, which helps your muscles stay strong. Look at these grapes. They're small but mighty. Grapes have antioxidants, which are like little superheroes that protect your body. Yum! Here's a juicy orange. Oranges are full of vitamin C, which helps keep your immune system strong, so you can fight off colds and stay healthy. And don't forget strawberries. These red berries are not only sweet and tasty, but they also have lots of vitamins and fiber. So, kids, remember to eat a variety of fruits every day. They help keep you strong, healthy, and ready for all your adventures.
Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel for more awesome adventures, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a thing. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye bye.